Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color of your Weebly site. This is a simple yet powerful way to refresh your website's look and ensure it aligns perfectly with your brand identity. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your browser and navigate to Weebly.com. Once you're there, log into your Weebly account using your credentials. After signing in, you'll land on your homepage where you can manage all your websites. Take a look at the left side menu where you'll see the option labeled Website. Click on it to proceed. Under the Website section, you'll find the Edit Site option. Go ahead and click on that. If you manage multiple sites, you'll be presented with a list of all your websites. Choose the one you want to customize. Once you've selected your site, look over to the right side of the screen where you'll see an Edit button. Click this button to open up the site editor. Now that you're in the editor, make sure you're on the Build tab at the top menu. This is where all the design and layout tools live, giving you full control over your site's appearance. Here's where things get interesting. Click at the edge of the background area you want to edit. This could be the main page background or a specific section background, depending on what you're looking to change. A pop-up menu will appear with several options. From this menu, click on Edit Background. This opens up the background customization panel where you can make all your changes. Now click on Change Color and you'll see a color picker appear. Here you can select any color you want for your background. You might choose something that matches your brand colors or opt for a fresh new look entirely. Take your time exploring different options until you find the perfect shade. Once you're satisfied with your color choice, simply click anywhere else on your website. This action automatically saves your changes and you'll immediately see your new background color applied to your site. It's that straightforward, and there you have it. You've successfully changed the background color of your Weebly site, giving it a fresh new appearance that better reflects your vision. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.